Hello, and welcome to the Consultant Logs tutorial for new consultants. Through this tutorial, you will learn how to log in to the Consultant Logs application, navigate the application, and log your hours. To access the Consultant Logs application, go to desi.mo.gov. On the home page, click on the Web Applications icon. This will take you to the DESI Web Applications login screen. If you do not have an account, pause the video and register now following along with the instructional video. Once you have an account, enter your user ID and password, and then click Login. Under DESI Web Applications, click Consultant Logs. If you do not see Consultant Logs as an option, contact your Regional Professional Development Center RPDC Director or contact DESI's Special Education Office to be granted access. Once access is granted, continue this tutorial. Consultants are taken directly to the calendar page once logged in. Here you can see your hours logged by month starting July 1st, 2019. At the top, there's an initiative summary which displays the percentage of hours approved in each initiative during that month. When hours are logged for a date, there is a View Logs button. If there was any paid leave entered for a day, it will show in the bottom of the square. If no View Logs buttons appear, select a date or the Add New Activity button to log your hours. We will discuss logging your hours a little later, but for now, let's click on the View Logs button to get started. This button will take you to the Consultant Activity Logs page. There are a few important features here. With the search function, you can select a date range to pull up logs from that time frame. By default, these will be your own logs unless you are a director and have selected another consultant from the home screen. Click Search to access log results. Over here on the right are the list display options. Show Week is the default, but clicking Show Details breaks down the logged hours by day and initiative. As you can see, it splits up hours worked for that week into the initiatives logged. This is very useful for seeing how many hours you logged in a certain initiative. If you do not see initiatives, please contact your RPDC director to complete the FTE portion of the account setup process. Clicking on the highlighted date will take you to the hours entered for that week. Here, you can view hours entered and edit the log if it has not been submitted. Going back to the Activity Logs page, click on Add New Activity to log hours for the week. I will now walk you through logging your hours. Please note that you can only submit hours once per week for all days and initiatives. Clicking the Update Hours button will save your entered hours for later without submitting them. First, scroll to the desired day. If you are scrolling to a day later in the week, the minimize icon is a useful tool. All days are broken up by the initiatives you are assigned. When entering your hours for a day, be sure to split your time between the initiatives if applicable. Enter the purpose, detail, and time under the performed activities. Drop-down boxes for the purpose and detail will only show options relevant to the initiative the hours are being logged to. If other is selected for purpose or detail, provide additional information in the notes box. When entering time for the PD provided activity, select the participating district from the drop-down after you entered the purpose, detail, and hours. Repeat this process for each business day in the week, or click Update Hours to save for later. When logging paid leave, split the leave as evenly as possible between initiatives. For example, if you take 8 hours of paid leave and have 2 initiatives, put 4 hours of paid leave under each initiative. Once you have filled out the entire week and clicked Update Hours, please review the total saved hours. If the hours are correct, click the Submit Log button. A pop-up window will appear asking if you are sure you want to submit your log. Submitting your log will lock the entered time. If you need to update for any reason after submission, please contact your RPDC director. Click OK to continue. Congratulations, you have successfully logged your hours for the week. This concludes the Consultant Logs tutorial. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial or on the Consultant Logs application, please call 573-751-5739 or email specialeducation@desi.mo.gov. Thank you for watching this tutorial and have a great rest of your day.